Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best E-Plus car exhaust system in this video? I will show you the top 3 best E-Plus car exhaust systems to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected 11 color LED speaker. Specifications: brand name E++, manufacturer part number PQG FMG 001. Special features: variable sound exhaust pipe. Material type: stainless steel. Available sizes: 51mm, 63mm, 70mm, 76mm. Length: 520mm. The item number 2 is E+1 pair 2 pieces car exhaust system. Specifications: brand name E++, manufacturer part number PQG FMG 001. Type: dissipative muffler. Material type: stainless steel. Interchange part number: electric valve. Available sizes: 51mm, 63mm, 70mm, 76mm. Drum size: 270mm, 220mm, 130mm. On the top of our list at number 1 we have E+ car exhaust system vacuum. Specifications: brand name E++, mounting position rear, manufacturer part number PQG FMG 001. Type: dissipative muffler. Material type: stainless steel. Interchange part number: vacuum valve. Available sizes: 51mm, 63mm, 70mm, 76mm. Drum size: 290mm, 220mm, 130mm. Length: 520mm.